Welcome students to Sneha Coaching Academy. Hello friends, today our topic is sets. In this video, I'm going to explain the definition of sets. There are two methods to represent the set, that is listing method or roster method and rule method or set builder method. Let's start with the definition of set. Now set is the collection of some elements or items. Elements or items, there can be any elements or items. Now suppose days of the week. We know the days of the week are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So there are total 7 days of week. So the collection of these days, collection of the days, this is known as set. This is known as set. This is the set of days of week. For example, first 10 counting numbers. We know 10 counting numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So the collection of these first 10 counting numbers, this will be the set of first 10 counting numbers. Now we are given the even numbers between 1 and 10. What are the even numbers between 1 and 10? That is 2, 4, 6 and 8. 2, 4, 6 and 8. These are the even numbers between 1 and 10. So this will be the set of even numbers between 1 and 10. So the collection of some elements or items, but not repeat the numbers or the items. Let's see how to represent the set, that is how to name the set. Now set can be named as capital letters. Set can be named in capital letters, that is suppose A, B or C, like that. We can name the set with the capital letters and we can place the elements. If we want to place the elements, we can use the small letters for the elements. Use small letters for the elements and capital letters for the naming. Suppose N, there are some standard sets, that is N is the set of natural numbers. N is the set of all the natural numbers. N is the set of all the natural numbers. Then there is W. W is the set of all whole numbers. All whole numbers. We know natural numbers are 1, 2, 3 and so on. Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3. Natural number plus 0. Natural number set plus 0 element will be the whole number. Now we know I, that is the set of all integers. Set of all integers. Then there is Q, that is set of all rational numbers. Set of all rational numbers. And there is R, that is set of all real numbers. That is set of all real numbers. These are some standard sets. Now we can name the set with capital letters and its elements by small letters. There are two methods to represent the set, that is first is listing method or roster method. Listing method or roster method, and second is rule method or set builder form. Rule method or set builder form. Let's first see listing method. In listing methods, elements are written in brace bracket or we can say curly bracket. Each element is separated by a comma. each element is separated by a comma. For example, let's take the set of odd numbers. Set of odd numbers. We know the set of odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are odd numbers and so on. So how to represent it in set form is each element is separated by a comma. Each element is separated by a comma and it is written in curly bracket. The elements are represented in between the curly bracket. Suppose we take the example of whole number, set of whole numbers between 5, between set of whole numbers till 5, we can tell till 5. So the whole numbers till 5 are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So separate each element by comma and put all the elements in between the curly bracket. So this is the first method, that is listing method. We have to list all the elements. While listing, we have to separate each element with the comma and we have to represent all the elements between the curly bracket. We have to list all the elements between the curly bracket. This is the listing method or roster method. As the name suggests, listing means you have to list all the elements. Let's see second method, that is rule method or set builder form. Now in this method, we don't have to list all the elements. We have to just take a general element using a variable. Like we can use variable x, y, p, q. It's up to you. Whatever you can use, followed by a colon or a vertical line, and then you have to write the condition or property of the variable. You can write the condition or property. For example, we have set of natural numbers, set of natural numbers between 1 and 10. Set of natural numbers between 1 and 10. So we will represent it. A is a set of, we will take a general element, suppose x such that is vertical line, where x is set of natural numbers, set of natural number, or you can say if it is a standard set like set of the natural numbers or whole numbers, so we can natural set of natural numbers is represented by n, set of rational numbers is represented by q, set of whole numbers represented by w. So you can write it x belongs to n, or you can also write x is natural number, x is natural number. You can use any of it, comma, then you have to write the condition or property of variable, that is natural number should be between 1 and 10. So between 1 and 10. So our x should be between 1 and 10. Between 1 and 10, so 1 and 10 will not be included. If they are given between 0 and 11, 0 and 11. So we will write here as equals to. We will put over here an equal to sign, less than or equal to. So here this will be a set of 1, 2 to 10 numbers. If the equal to is not there, the set will be from 2, 3, 4 till 9. This is, so the set has to be, there should be a general element, that is x, such that x belongs to natural number, or you can put x simply in the words, that is x is a natural number, comma, that a condition between, that is x in between 1 and 10. So this is the rule method. We can see one more example, like set of prime numbers. We can say set of prime numbers, Now let's start with the x. We will use the general element as x such that x is a prime number. We are not given any condition over here, so we will keep as it is. If it is given set of prime numbers between 1 and 10, this can be any between 1 and 10, so we will add the condition by using a comma, where 1 is less than x is less than 10. 1 is less than x is less than 10. So x is a prime number between 1 and 10. So this is the rule method or set builder form. Now let's see some examples how to write the following sets in roster form and set builder form. We will start with first example, that is set of even numbers. Now suppose we have considered set A. We will first write in the roster form. A is the element such as set of even numbers. So even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8. We are not given, we have to also include 0 because it is not said that even natural numbers. So 0 can also be included. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and dash dash dash. This is infinite set. We will see what is infinite, but set of even numbers we are not given any limit, so we have to put a dash dash dash. Next we will represent set of even numbers in builder form. So let's take the variable b for representing the set of even numbers in set builder form. So b is the set of x such that x is an even number. X is an even number. There's no condition, there's no limit given over here, so we don't have to add anything. Just write x such that x is an even number. Next sum is a set of prime numbers. Now A is a set of prime number. We know prime numbers. We can write the prime numbers start from 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and dash dash dash. Okay, now let's represent it. This is the roster form. Now let's represent in set builder form. Now in set builder form we will take the variable, suppose y such that y is a prime number. Y is a prime number. We are not given any condition, so we will keep it as it is. So B is the set of y such that y is a prime number. This is the set builder form. Now let's see some more example. Set of negative integers between -1 and -10. Now we know the negative integers between -1 and -10. First we will represent it in roster form. A is a set of, now let's list the elements between -1 and -10. The negative integers will be -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8 and -9. These will be the set of negative integers between -1 and -10. We will also represent it in set builder form. That is, we will take the variable x such that x is a negative integer, x is a negative integer, comma, because condition is given over here, that is -1 is less than x is less than 10. Is it correct? No, because in integers, in negative integer, -1 is not smaller than -2. -1 is greater than -2. So you have to mention -1 is greater than x is greater than -10. -1 is greater than x is greater than -10, or you can represent 1 is less than x is less than 10. If you are using the negative sign, you have to change the direction of the arrow. You have to change the direction. Now next, 7 basic sounds of sargam. There are 7 basic sounds of sargam are sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni and sa. Sa is the repeat. Okay, so we will always put in 1. So this is the set of A, and all the elements should be separated by comma. Now we have to represent it in set builder form. So we will take the variable x such that x is 7 sargam, 7 sounds of sargam. X is a, we will not write 7, we will put x is sound of sargam, because x, we are representing x is single element, so we have to write x is the sound of sargam, and we know there are 7 sounds of sargam. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.